Calculating frequency distributions. A frequency distribution shows the number of observations falling into several ranges of data values. A student flips 2 coins. Make a table to show the possible outcomes in this experiment. So, because they're flipping 2 coins, we're going to put the first coin along the top row of our table, the second coin along the column. So the possibilities on the first coin are heads and tails, second coin also heads and tails. Within our table, we fill out our possibilities. So we could either do heads, heads, tails, heads, heads, tails, and tails, tails. And we're going to kind of think of heads, tails, and tails, heads the same thing. So find the probability of each outcome. So the first outcome would be heads and heads, which would be the 1HH. That's 1 out of 4 total possibilities in the table. So there's the theoretical probability. The probability of heads and tails. There are 2 of them that have that composition, so 2 out of 4, which reduces to 1 out of 2. And then the probability of tails and tails is 1 out of 4. A toddler tears off the labels on several soup cans. There were 6 cans of vegetable soup, 3 cans of tomato soup, 2 cans of potato soup, and 1 can of clam chowder. 1 can is randomly chosen to open. We need to make a bar graph to show the frequency distribution for all possible outcomes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 kinds of soup. So we're going to need a bar for veggie, a bar for tomato, a bar for potato, and a bar for clam chowder. Now I need to have my labels along the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, now I just need to make my bars. So 6 cans of veggie, 3 cans of tomato, and 1 can of clam chowder. And then I just need to find the theoretical probability of each outcome. So the first thing I need to do, there's 6 plus 3 is 9, 10, 11, 12 total cans. So for veggie, I'm going to have 6 out of 12, which is 1 out of 2. For tomato, I have 3 out of 12, which is 1 out of 4. For potato, I have 2 out of 12, which is 1 out of 6. And for clam chowder, I have 1 out of 12.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.